Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P0122 indicates a low voltage issue in the Throttle Position TP Sensor A circuit, specifically for the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. The TP sensor is crucial for monitoring the position of the throttle, and thus plays a significant role in regulating engine performance and efficiency. This sensor is typically integrated with the throttle body, which is located on the intake manifold, connected directly to the engine air intake system. When the output voltage of the TP sensor falls below a set threshold, it suggests there is an anomaly in its performance, prompting the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to log this DTC. It's vital to conduct a thorough inspection of the associated components to determine the root cause of this issue. The DTC P0122 signifies a malfunction in the TP Sensor A circuit, which is integral to the throttle body assembly. The throttle body is responsible for controlling the air entering the engine, and the TP sensor's role is to provide real-time position feedback to the PCM. As the throttle opens and closes, the sensor sends voltage signals indicating its position, which helps the engine control its power output effectively. This sensor is usually located on the throttle body, ensuring a direct connection to the mechanical movement and engine response. When the voltage output from the TP sensor is detected below 0.3 volts during the operational checks, it confirms a fault condition, triggering the DTC to be stored in the system. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0122. First, a faulty TP sensor itself may generate low voltage readings due to internal failures or degradation over time. Secondly, open circuit conditions can occur due to damaged wiring or poor connections, which can disrupt the signal flow from the sensor to the PCM. Additionally, the PCM, which interprets the signals from the TP sensor, may fail or malfunction, leading to incorrect voltage readings being reported. It's crucial to inspect and address all these possibilities systematically to identify the exact issue in the circuit. When DTC P0122 is present, various symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. A common symptom is poor engine performance, as the engine may not receive the appropriate air-fuel mixture due to incorrect throttle input data. Additionally, drivers may notice an unstable idle, where the engine fluctuates in RPM, suggesting erratic throttle control. The presence of a check engine light on the dashboard is another clear indicator, alerting the driver to the underlying fault in the throttle sensor circuit. Monitoring these symptoms can help in early detection of throttle position sensor issues before they lead to more severe engine problems. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This step ensures that the vehicle's electrical systems are energized, allowing for the measurement of voltage at the TP Sensor A. Using a diagnostic scanner or multimeter, check the TP Sensor A output voltage. According to the diagnostic guidelines, if this voltage reading is less than 0.3 volts, it confirms that the failure condition is likely present. This step serves as an initial verification before moving on to more complex diagnostic procedures that require further disassembly or circuit analysis. In this step, focus on the throttle body and its integrated TP sensor. Start by disconnecting the throttle body connector to prevent any false readings. With the ignition in the on position, measure the voltage output from the TP sensor terminals. A normal reading should be around 5.0 volts. If the measurement deviates from this expected value, it suggests that the throttle body itself may be defective, and further testing or replacement may be necessary. This step is essential as it pinpoints whether the issue lies within the throttle body assembly or requires examination upstream in the circuit. This step shifts focus to inspecting the external circuit associated with the TP sensor. Begin by ensuring the throttle body connector is still disconnected to facilitate accurate readings for the VCC3 and THL1 circuit connections. Using a multimeter, measure the continuity and resistance across these circuits while the ignition is off. An ideal result should indicate less than 1 ohm of resistance in the VCC3 line. If not, it indicates an open wire that requires repair or replacement. Furthermore, check the THL1 line for grounding issues, which if shorted, could cause erroneous voltage signals. This thorough examination helps identify circuit integrity issues leading to the DTC P0122. Concluding the troubleshooting process involves inspecting the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. First, ensure the PCM connectors are securely attached and free from corrosion or debris. Disconnect the PCM connector and check for any wiring damage or poor connections that may affect signal transmission. If previous steps have indicated that the TP sensor and circuit conditions were normal, but the issue is still present, it suggests the PCM may indeed be at fault. Conduct the appropriate diagnostic tests on the PCM to confirm its functionality. A faulty PCM must be replaced to resolve the underlying issue causing the DTC P0122. After completing the repair steps, it's crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved satisfactorily. Begin this process by using a diagnostic scanner to clear the DTC from the system memory. Following this, conduct a road test to ensure the vehicle operates correctly without any performance issues. During the test drive, monitor the engine's response, particularly noting any changes in throttle performance and responsiveness. After returning from the road test, recheck for any recurring diagnostic codes. This step confirms that the repair was successful and that the TP sensor circuit is functioning within proper specifications. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0122, it's essential to implement a regular preventive maintenance routine. Conduct periodic inspections of the TP sensor and throttle body to ensure they remain in good working condition. Keeping the throttle body clean can prevent buildup that may affect sensor readings or mechanical operation failures. Additionally, regularly inspect all electrical connections associated with the sensor and PCM for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. By maintaining clean and secure connections, you can lessen the potential for electrical faults. This proactive approach is key in avoiding sensor-related issues and ensuring long-term vehicle reliability. In summary, the DTC P0122 highlights a critical low-voltage issue in the throttle position sensor circuit. Recognizing the symptoms early, such as unstable idle or reduced engine performance, can lead to timely interventions, preventing more severe engine failures. Following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined ensures that the problem is accurately diagnosed and resolved. Inspection of the TP sensor, throttle body, wiring, and PCM are crucial in this process. Finally, implementing a regular maintenance routine can help maintain optimal vehicle performance and prevent the recurrence of similar issues. Engaging with these strategies will enhance the overall longevity and reliability of the Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.